I'm your driver, Wesley Gormas, and this is Memory Maker Transportation. Hey everybody, I'm Wesley, owner and operator of Memory Maker Transportation. I wanted to take a moment today to go over our standards of practice when it comes to preparing for every client that we serve. Each time before you enter our vehicle, your ride has been cleaned and detailed in preparation for you. We use the G-Technic brand of products because it's well known and trusted, and we've used it on our personal vehicles and now in the company. We have a quick detailer for all the surfaces outside, all the paint and everything. And then we have our glass cleaner. So we're gonna clean all the glass, including the roof, inside and out, which is important because we want you to not miss a view or worry about water spots and things like that. But then on the inside, we use G-Technic's Tri-Clean. This product is a disinfectant and cleaner. We use it for all the seats and surfaces as well as the mats. You'll notice I have two cloths because one is used on the seats and sides and one is used on the floors. We're not gonna mix them. We wanna make sure it's clean for you and that you can rest easy, knowing that you're safe and that you're gonna have the best experience possible. You'll also see that we have one of our cabin air filters here. It's a premium air filter, but at Memory Maker Transportation, we change those air filters every month on the month. That's different. It's not normal and we understand that, but we wanna provide the best experience inside the cabin of our vehicle. And so we do that for you as well. We also have our vacuum there. And basically, at the end of the day, we want you to know that this is your ride, your way, and it's important that you feel safe in our vehicles and that you have a clean experience. So just reach out if you have any questions or concerns or want to make sure something's done a certain way. We make it a point at Memory Maker Transportation not to overbook ourselves. We don't want to be in a rush getting to you. We want to make sure that we have plenty of time so that our level of service is never decreased because we're in a rush. So hope that helps some of you know a little bit more about what we do and how we do it. Take care and we'll talk soon.